Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to post video in Instagram Instant. So we all know about the photo, but in this video, I will show you how to post video. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So for this, first open your Instagram account. You can also follow my Instagram page. So after this, you have to go to Instagram message here. So after this, here on the right side, you can see plus icon. You have to click on this one. So here you can see the camera is open. So now you have to press and hold on this camera for few seconds, like for whatever duration you want a video. So I will press and hold here. So here you can see it is posted. Now we will go and check if it is posted as a video or not. We'll click on this 4 box. Here you can see this is posted and it's uploading. Okay, so currently it's 4G, so it's taking some time. So you can see here it is a video. So in this way you can post a video in Instagram Instant. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.